You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Die, ego, darling, let's go.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the show. Now it's game time. Because of the World Cup, this high energy World Cup challenge, it brings fun competition and teamwork to the forefront as male and female pairs go against each other in a trivia meets skill showdown. Now success depends on both football knowledge and physical control. Now if the female partner answers a World Cup trivia question correctly, the male partner must complete 5 keep-ups. And a way for keep. And
who lose must...
Who lose, who don't get it right, and them...
If I get it right, then the male partner must do 5 keep-ups.
So here the great thing about this competition now. It's me and Dadrian versus a dancer. Jamaica don't really know. I mean, Ding Dong? Yeah, him. Ding Dong and his counterpart. All right, so we have our quiz master ready to go when she asks the question. Oh, we're beef.
Makinski is our quiz master. That's our World Cup trophy, the cake?
Something like that.
All right,
cool.
awesome.
It's courtesy of Price Mart.
Are you asking alternately or who first?
No, just ask it.
Alternate, okay.
Yeah. Ready.
All right, so we have about 4 levels of difficulty.
Just
the
start.
first question is, which country won the very first FIFA World Cup in 1930?
Uruguay.
Uruguay.
Correct.
5
Go forward, no.
5
Go
ding,
forward.
5 for your ding.
Five
Keep up
keep up.
5.
5
keep up. All right. Ball.
All right.
All right.
Just prepare yourself, because you got
All
more to
right,
do.
ready again? What trophy is awarded to the FIFA World Cup
The
winner?
FIFA World Cup trophy.
All right,
All
correct.
right.
Okay,
All
all right.
right.
All right, 5. Do your 5 pumpkin. Come in.
Make sure. Hold this there.
All right. Okay, have that.
Which country hosted the 2018 FIFA World Cup? Which country hosted the 2018 FIFA World Cup?
2018?
Correct.
Qatar. What she say? Qatar?
One step, one step. May I watch you? 5.
What she say?
Yeah.
Russia is the answer.
Russia,
No, man, you
Jaja.
have to come again.
Come.
Have you come again?
Yeah. Do that again.
Next question.
How
Do
many
you find
years
out, sir?
apart is the FIFA World Cup held?
4 years.
Correct.
No, but you see, I asked one after the other.
No.
That's how it started. Come
All
on.
right.
Sometimes you drop the ball, you know.
Let's go. Which player is known as the king of football and
Pele.
Pele.
Correct. She said it first.
No! He said Messi first.
She said Messi first.
No, man, she said Pele. She said Pele. Let's go.
Hold on, stay there, so. Go and ask the question. Come here, see the
She said
question.
Pele.
First of all, Nakinski asked the question, I turned away there. And because you're closer to them, they might hear more than we.
5. Come, ready again.
All right.
No more.
All right. I'm
Come
going
ready
to ask
again.
for
Let me not see the
calm.
question. I'm
not
going to
answering.
small
Ask for calm.
song. Open
All
some with the
right.
agent.
I'm not answer.
You make the move. You
No,
make the
I'm
move.
not answer. No.
I answer with the agent.
All right. So the next question. Which 2 Jamaican artists are featured in the official World Cup 2026 album?
Shensia and Shaggy.
Say it before
We
you.
No,
said
me say
first.
before you. Me start say before you.
She started.
It doesn't matter who started.
Me start say
Oh,
before
hold on,
you.
stop.
All right. So
Wait.
the judges said.
No, so...
No, make the judge.
No. Hear what happened. This is what happened. The rules say the female must answer the question.
achoo. Boom.
Okay. Here we go.
Hey.
Agent, small count there, boss.
All right.
All right.
No, it just
I
said...
get the one.
It just said the female must answer.
Yeah, female must answer, true.
All right, next question. Which artist sang the world official 2010 FIFA World Cup song
Shakira.
Waka Waka, correct?
I get the cake, you know.
Easily.
You should answer the question before now.
Five.
Keep up.
Watch it again.
But that answer.
I'm done with this.
Answer them, you know. You have to answer them.
Come there, Jen. Come.
Not the woman taking over. Next question. Which country has won the most FIFA World
Brazil.
Cup titles, correct?
I'll give a goal in that one.
Start.
the way.
No, kick.
Hey, kick.
Five.
5.
No worries, sir.
We'll work with that. All right. Who scored the infamous hand of God goal?
Maradona, Diego Maradona for Argentina.
Thank you.
You can't talk
Me
to
say
me.
if you jump, kick out your foot.
Alright, alright.
Keep up.
Sorry, keep up.
Me again?
We abandon the
Yeah, you
keep-ups.
again.
You're not the none.
All right.
All right. Which country won the 2022 FIFA World Cup?
Argentina.
Judges.
She said first.
Judges.
Yeah, but I'm reach our table.
When you're close.
I'm out of space.
That one you're close.
But I'm done.
That
I'm
one
going
you're
5. I'm going 5, I'm done.
That one you're close.
So we tie.
I'm going 5,
That one you're close. That one you're close. That one you're close. That one you're close. That one
But
you're
you're
close.
still up on the last one. Me pass, man.
You're close. The close.
I'm
Bonus
done.
question. Bonus question.
Alright.
Ready.
All right, so we have
Ready?
a bonus question. Which player has scored the most goals in FIFA World Cup history?
Pele.
Miss Love. Miss.
A good, yeah, man. Go on again.
You
One
don't know
more.
him name.
All right.
Closer. Marisa, closer.
Closer.
You see it, you know. Duffy, but
Big
me call
round.
the first name.
Oh, how much can I see it? Closer, not closer.
No, that's not the name.
And Marisa closer.
Wait, no. Alright.
Say that?
Marisa closer.
All right, get it wrong. Next
Yes.
question.
Yes, same Marisa
yes,
closer.
yes.
Marisa closer.
Yes.
Closer. This is his last name. Closer.
That's not the entire name, though.
Oh, you never say entire
I
name.
said that.
Maradona name, entire name.
Sorry.
But
went
me
with
said the
Diego
first name
Maradona.
and he said the last
Okay,
name.
cool.
Yeah.
So we win?
Yeah, so we win.
So here what I mean. Because we win. No.
We can't give a piece. You want piece?
You see, because we win, and me and Dadrian alone, right? And you carry the whole of ravers and clavers.
No, you know. You know, say how we win, but organization set up phone, you know.
Oh my gosh.
I like the color how you do. Look at
Argentine.
Greatest school.
All right, guys. So big respect to our teams. Big up Ding Dong who just decided to just join the and his and her. All right, guys. Please stay with us more. We have after this break. Price Mart, thank you so much for the cake. One. And Jada, big up Jada.
See that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.